Hello YouTube, welcome back to Monday update from the trading room. And today the trade actually worked out were these three. So one was Nifty, other was Jindal, and this Gale trade, which worked out very nicely the way we planned it. And some of our break even, which I'm not counting here, and total trade call which made loss and profit were these five. As you can see, we actually tried to sell Jindal, but that got stopped out. We again sold it once we saw our setup again. And the Nifty, we actually gave a buy call. Now if you remember from the weekly update, we were looking for the sell setups, and in that video this structure you see in front of you in relationship with this impulse was ABC. But today actually we were waiting for our sell setup. Ignore these drawings were for the traders for managing the trades. So we were waiting for our sell setup, but the market was keep pushing up, and somewhere here actually I look at the market again and declare that this structure which we are looking at as a ABC is not a ABC, it's actually WXYXZ structure. So that's the reason actually we made this trend and went for any buy setup we get for the upward direction, making this resistance. Now for the traders, those who take one target, that's the one target. Those who can trail it, that's a trailing target. That will be depending on the trader's ability, how do they manage the trades. But that's a buy call from our side in Nifty. That's a sell call in Jindal, the second sell call. The first sell was somewhere here, and you see this WXY same structure, we found it one more in Gale. You can see that it's in relationship with this impulse, this declared as a WXY. So we went for this wave for the downside, and we were expecting this wave since here, but this actually came from here, so we took advantage somewhere here. So if you take overall status of the trading room, out of those 5 trades, forget about this returns. Those actually, I'm not sure how many people are trailing it, and since this is the start of the month, so forget about this. Just focus here. This is the show result of the trading room for every trader who is trading in the trading room live with us intraday. Now that's a single day month start, 6% on the capital is a good thing. So that's the update for today, as well as these updates will be shared on the website and to our traders in the Telegram group. And one more thing before I close down, for those who have ordered the book, so we are having a good news. Now I have talked to the publishers. I'm expecting the shipping within 10 days from now onwards. So those who have ordered the book, it's for the English edition. Hindi editions, you have to wait a little more. It's a translation and publishing, that thing is going on for your book. But for those who have ordered the English edition, you'll be expecting a shipping soon. And those who would like to know the secrets of our wave trading, I think you should go and check out the book which we have put together. So again guys, this is Dev this side signing off. Those who are interested in our trading room joining, go check out. Our trading room is less than 100 rupees a day. And I'll see you with another update. Thank you so much. Bye.